Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Bengali resume using Gemini. So guys, for that go to your Gemini. Now tap on Ask Gemini and write here, give me some Bengali resume create idea, and send it to Gemini. Then you can say Gemini is giving you all the tips and ideas for your Bengali resume, and here you can see all of this are so much predictable and realistic. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.